Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Python file to an executable file. This simply means converting a .py file to a .exe file so we can run it on our computer. Now to do this is very easy. We just need one Python library which is called pyinstaller. Now to install this, we just type install pyinstaller. Now I have this on my computer already, so it's going to tell me requirement already satisfied, but if you don't, just allow that to run and install. After that, let's go into my desktop and then let's create a directory named tests, something like this, and then let's opt into tests. Now if I press ls, you see that that directory is empty. So what I'm just going to do is to open my Visual Studio Code and then create a Python file. So basically, I'm just going to create a Python file and then convert it to an executable file. It's going to do exactly what the Python file will do. The only difference is just that it is an executable file. So let's cancel this. So what I need to do now is to just, let me cancel all this please. What I need to do now is to just create a new file. Let me save it. Inside that file, let me name it tests.py. And I'm going to save it in desktop. Let's save it. Okay, now it says there's already a file like that, so let's name it tests and then save. So basically, let's just print something. Let's print hello world. Now when we run this, obviously it will print us hello world. You see, it gives us hello world. Now this is exactly what we want it to do when it is an executable file. So let's head over back to my desktop and move that into this folder. Now since that is there, if we come here and press ls, it should show us that test.py. Now what we need to do to convert it to an executable file is to press pyinstaller, then the name of the file, test.py, as easy as that. Now it's going to take a while depending on how large your file is. Since mine is just one line of code, it should only take some seconds. Now I'm going to give that time to do. And once this is done, it will create a bunch of folders, and then I'll show you how to go into the executable file. Now you see it's completed successfully. If I press ls again, you see now there are a bunch of folders. Now to run this, let's go into that folder, that test folder. Now we're just going to, let me make this large a little bit. I'm just going to go into dist file, then into tests. Then we're going to scroll down and look for this test. That means the name of the Python file we converted. We're going to scroll down and then look for it. Now when we run this, you see here, let me make this large. You see it automatically run as an executable file, and what it did was it just printed hello world, and then it logged out and saved the section and everything. Now that's how easy it is to convert a Python file to an executable file. Now this was just a test, just one line of code, but if you have a bunch of code, this also worked perfectly. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button, and please subscribe and press the bell notification so you get notified when I release new videos. And if you have any question, please drop it down in the comments. I'll be sure to answer all questions. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.